Let's make some humic acid. Got some well water? Let's put that in there. Quite a bit. I want about 4 gallons. I need a lot of humic acid here. Why do I need so much humic acid? Y'all are asking that? And how am I going to make humic acid with water from a hose? See that right there? Compost and humic solids. Okay, this is beyond compost now. Quite a bit of it is. It's taken from the depths of my ancient garden. I did mix some bioenhanced compost in with it because I do like to do that. And now I've got this, whatever, 5-gallon pail. All I'm going to do is extract it. Okay? I'm just going to bunch this thing up like this. I'm going to sing happy birthday to my granddaughter. And that's about how long I need to dunk this stuff. Maybe I'll sing it a couple times. See? Right in the water. Watch what happens to the water. Instantly. See how it turned brown? Okay, we're going to just dunky dunk. Y'all spell that out with me. Dunk. Dunk. Oh, y'all want to hear Creedmoor Fury sing happy birthday? No, I can't do that. So instead, you know, we're just going to imagine our own brains. And we'll let this go on for a few minutes. And we'll go ahead and pause the video so I can do this with 2 hands. Then we'll come back to it. You can see it's getting darker. I've had people ask me before, you know, do you want to massage that bag with your hand? And, you know, I'm going to say, you know, without any reluctance, no. The reason I'm going to say no is because, well, that's acid right there. That's humic acids with fulvic acids. While it's not an exceptionally strong acid, it is an organo acid. If you get that on your hands and you have a problem with your skin drying and cracking, I promise you, you're going to have a bigger problem when you put your stuff on your hands. You know, so I do my best to keep my hand above water. I do my best to, you know, try to just let this be a gently made extract. We're going to work it for about 4 or 5 minutes. And then the media that's left in this bag is going to go back into our composting scene, or we can even make grow soils with it. It's okay. It's okay to do that. It's already pretty fine media, so you could use this for germinating seeds. So we're going to go a little further because I really, really, really want this to be super, super chocolatey brown. The darker, the better. Why am I making this? 3 minutes in and y'all asking why I'm making this. The reason I'm making this is because I've got a hardpan. Hardpan clay, very hard packed clay. And I want to open that up a little bit. And I can utilize this humic acid to actually break up whatever binders are in that aggregate, to allow some of the roots for my plants, the roots from my rose bushes, to penetrate deeper into it. You know what I'm saying? These acids will allow that. They'll help to chelate some of the salts that may be there, because we know there's plenty of salt here. My land is full of salt, and it's going to help, because as far as I know, my roses, they want something that's just a little bit better for them. Y'all have seen them before, right? If you haven't seen my roses, take a look at the pictures I posted in the group. Yeah, we love roses. So yeah, so I'm planting more roses, and I need to really, really break up some of that hardpan. I'm going to go ahead and dig the holes. It's a pain in the butt. But then I'm going to install probably about 1 gallon of this to each hole. I've got 4 holes to make, so that's kind of why I was after 4 gallons. Make sense? If you haven't done so already, go ahead and click the like button. Click the subscribe button. And tell everybody that you love that this is how you'd like to make humic acid. Why do you want humic acid? Because your neighbor sprayed your plants with Roundup, and now there's Roundup in the soils at the base of your plants. You're really mad and you want to fix that? Yeah, you can use humic acid, and it will chelate the salts, and the salts will move away from your soils much easier. You can go back to planting without fear. Good stuff. The more you know, the more you grow. Peace and God bless, folks.